Is it raining in Kangnung on Gyeongpo tonight? Dewdrops hit the lake, spreading circles of light. And if we could go back, could we still make things right in Kangnung? Why did we leave Kangnung? Or is the moon on the lake and the moon in the sky? The moon in their cups and in their lovers' eyes. Funny how the heart takes the mind by surprise. Thinking of Kangnung, let's go back to Kangnung. We shared a small apartment with the rice fields down below, where flocks of egrets waited, their feathers white as snow. We drive to the ocean and walk along the sand, and I was sure I held your heart when I held your hand there in Kangnung. Remember there were canna, the petal spotted red, as sensuous as summer, as sweet as our shared bed. In August bright pink roses gleam wild on city walls, and vibrant orange persimmons hung in trees laid bare by fall. Back in Kangnung, in winter time I walk to work, the sidewalks lined with snow. In spring, in every scrap of space, you'd see a garden grow. The church beside the orphanage, the friends we used to know, the upper floor of City Hall, the view laid out below. The late night drive from out of town, you'd see the city's glow, and you'd know you were home. Do you recall the moon on the lake and the moon in the sky? The moon in your cup and in your lover's eyes. I long for the sweetness of old memories, when my heart was certain that you still loved me. But back when we left it, oh, didn't we know that the cracks at the edges had started to grow? But we had it, we held it, and we let it go. When we left Kangnung, let's go back to Kangnung. If we were in Kangnung, could we still make things right? Oh, take me to Kangnung, please meet me in Kangnung. I'll be there in Kangnung, even if it's raining then. We both know